All right, so here we go with another Alibaba sub. Its ratings are 2500 watts RMS, 6000 watts peak, but I would give it 1500 watts RMS, 3000 peak. I haven't pushed it to its limits, and I don't plan on it. I have a 1000 watt bash amp connected to it. That's 1000 watts peak, and I threw it in the hammer enclosure because I'm still using this enclosure with the Ultimax. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to slap a bash amp on it or not, because I actually made it for a car, but we'll see. But anyway, this sub has great lows and great flex, so sounds awesome. So I'll give it a listen.